Morning, friends. All right, we are here at Number Corner. Remember our pattern yesterday? So we added those pumpkins and zucchini, which is another vegetable. Think about what today will be. Keep that in my ear. So here was our pattern yesterday. Think about the whole month of October. What's been going on? Let's see if you can figure it out. Gavin, what do you think?
I think that the pumpkin is gonna be another thing like that.
Okay, so how many all together do you think there's going to be?
2.
Okay, and how many pumpkins then? 2 zucchinis and how many pumpkins?
5.
Why did you say 5? So how many would that be all together? He said 2 zucchinis and 5. How many all together, Gavin? 7. How come you think that?
Because I knew there was gonna be 2 and then 5 more.
2 and 5 more. June, what do you think?
I think they're going to take another pumpkin away and put another zucchini there.
Good. And what about the number? Can anyone guess what number is underneath that square? Nevaeh?
13.
13. How'd you know?
Because after look at 11, 12, 13.
Good. Are you ready? Ooh, sit safe. Okay, I'm going to show my friends here at school first, and then I'll show you at home. So are you ready at school? Take a look. Don't say anything. I'm going to do it so my friends can't see it that are at home. So friends at home, think about what you think our pattern is today, our picture. Look at that. Mr. Gavin was correct. How many all together? What am I going to write for my number tree? How many all together? Look, I'm running out of room. I'm going to have to rewrite this because we still have some days left. Natalie, how many all together?
Well, it all together, it would be on the top. It would be 7. So
Why 7? How'd you know that?
because
Sit safe, my friends.
it would be 5 and 2 more make 7.
5 what?
Pump.
Yeah, we have 5 pumpkins and 2 zucchinis. So we know that's 7. So what 2 numbers am I going to write underneath my number tree?
5
Okay.
and 2.
Is 5 and 2 more 7? Give me a thumbs up if you think 5 and 2 more is 7. Thumbs down if that's not right. You're right, yeah. So what would be my math equation? Someone help me write my math equation. Henry. 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job. Let's change our date. Look on the calendar to help you. What are we changing our date to? Yesterday was 10-12-20. What's today? My same friends raising their hand. I bet everyone could figure this out. What's our date? June? 10-13. What does the 13 stand for? Does it stand for the month, the day, or the year? Right. What does the 13 stand for? Kendall.
The day.
It is the day. That's the one that changes every day. Because it's a new day.
Why
Our
did
month.
ask us that question when it says month, day, year?
It does. And those are the words that it says. This says month, day, year. Sit up, please, Kendall. All right. We have a very special day today. What is it? Turn and talk to a friend. How many days in school? Whisper. Turn and talk to a friend. So you too. At home. Yesterday was 29. And take a look at our chart.
So you're going to my one.
How many days in school? Look at that chart. Think about how you're getting that answer, my friends. Some space, friends. Social distance. Keep talking. Talk about your strategy that you're using. How are you getting that answer? 5, 4, 3. Nice job. 2, 1, 0. Elizabeth. So 10 plus another 10 equals 30. Look at that. We have 3 groups of 10. So I'm going to color this in. We have 10, 10, and 10. 10, say it with me, 10, 20, 30. What's another math equation we could write down? What's another way to get this answer? Kevin.
I did 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So you counted by 5. So you did 10, and then plus 5 would be 15, plus 5 more is 20, plus 5 more is 25. And our last group of 5 would be 30. So we counted by 5s.
I thought you said 35.
Kendall.
I figured out that it was 30 is because it's I said 20 and 10 equals 30.
Good job, Kendall. She just put these two together. 10 and 10 she knew right away was 20. And then we just added another 10, so we know that 20 and 10 more. So 20 and 10 more is 30. Does anyone else have a different way? Yes.
I said 10, 20, 30.
Good job. Yeah. You counted by tens. Henry.
40 minus 10.
Oh, did you just hear Henry? He said 40. Take away 10 or minus, subtract 40. Take away 10 equals 30. Look at what he did here. Where would be the 40? Where would be the 40? Kendall?
One whole 10.
1 whole 10 over?
Yeah.
Yeah, so look at what...
And then he just Henry used this strategy and took away the whole 10.
The whole bundle, or the whole group of 10. Look at what Henry did. He said, well, I know that one more 10 would be 40 because 10, 20, 30, 40. So he knew if I take away that whole 10, look at that. Come with me. 10, 20, 30. Great thinking. That is a math brain. Look at all of our math equations. I'm going to say them again. I want you to sit up, please. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Or we could count by 5s like Gavin. Count by 5s to 30 with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
But he used the 10 into it.
Yep, he added 2 5s, and we know that 5 and 5 more is 10. Kendall told us that 20 plus 10 more is 30. And then Henry had a subtraction problem. So he said 40. Take away a whole 10 would be 30. Good work. That's a lot of math
It's a
equations.
minus sign.
Let's spin our spinner. I want you to predict. What do you think I am going to land on?
I think you should have a guest spinner.
Oh, Mrs. Mitchell, come up here.
Okay.
Should we have Mrs. Mitchell spin?
I'm going to be your guest spinner. Okay, here we go.
Whoa, look at what she got.
5!
Wow.
Okay, I'm going to go do it with my class now.
Have fun, Mrs. Mitchell.
Okay.
Look at my friends at home. Mrs. Mitchell spun the biggest number on our spinner. What number is that? Show me with your fingers. What number did she spin?
5.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And 5 plus 5 equals 10.
So what am I going to grab out of my magic bag?
5.
5 what? Pencils? I bet you there's pencils in here.
No.
What's in here, Mila? What's in here? here? Do you remember?
Pattern shape.
What is it?
Pattern box.
Henry?
Pattern box.
Pattern box. All right. Are you ready? Try to predict what shape you want me to land on or what I'm going to grab. Ready? Raise your hand if you know what shape this is. Oh, don't blurt it. Natalie, what shape is this?
It is a diamond. It is rhombus.
Rhombus. Guess what, friends? I'm going to put it in week 3 because we're on week 3. It's our last week of that. What'd I get, Nevaeh?
A rhombus.
Another rhombus.
What's that?
Oh, Mila, what is this? Another rhombus. Oh, my goodness. What shape is this one? Henry. Trapezoid. How many more shapes do I need to grab? Take a look. We have 3 rhombuses and a trapezoid. How many more? Kendall. One more. Elizabeth, what shape? Triangle. Friends, while I'm putting my shapes on my graph, I want you to think about what you notice. What do you notice? So watch carefully. So voices off. Watch me put these on. How many, show me with your fingers, how many rhombuses do I have to add? Good, 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many trapezoids? Show me with your fingers. Yep, only 1. And how many triangles? Just 1. What do you notice? Think about it. I'm going to bring my computer over for my friends at home to take a good look at it, our graph. What do you notice? Raise your hand when you think you know what you notice. No, thank you, Nevaeh. Please go back where you were. What do you notice, June?
Now if you pick another rhombus, you can put a rhombus there.
Because it would be off the chart. Oh my. What else do you notice? Kendall.
That it's all filled up on the rhombuses.
It is. So what does that tell you about rhombus? That they are the, what word?
The most.
Most.
And another one is greater than.
They're greater than what, Kendall? What are they greater than?
All the other shapes.
They're greater than all of the other shapes. Good. What else do you notice? And this says greater than. That was a good word choice. Henry, what do you notice? The trapezoids are the second most. Good. What else do you notice, Gavin?
The 2 are equal.
Which 2 are equal? That's another great word choice right here. Equal. Which 2 are equal? Hexagon. Good. Good work, my friends. Which one is the least amount? The least. Mila. Triangle and hexagon. Good. Quietly tiptoe back to your desk. Good job, my friends.